Blogging Basics. The power of blogging. A deep dive into its benefits. In an age defined by digital connectivity, where content is constantly streaming through our devices, the blog has emerged as a distinct voice amid. A quiet, yet potent tool of expression, it seamlessly intertwines the worlds of the writer and the reader, forging unique connections that are both deeply personal and far-reaching. What exactly is a blog? A blog, in its simplest form, is a digital journal. It's a website that allows individuals, businesses, and organizations to publish and disseminate their thoughts, knowledge, and expertise on a multitude of subjects. From the passionate cook sharing family recipes to the tech enthusiast decoding the latest gadgets, blogs cover a spectrum of topics, resonating with a wide array of audiences. Consider this: 77% of people regularly read blogs online. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the massive influence and reach of blogs. In an age saturated with information, why do so many gravitate towards blogs? The answer lies in the essence of a blog: genuine, in-depth, and evolving content. Unlike the static pages of traditional websites, which often remain unchanged for long durations, blogs pulsate with life. They are regularly infused with fresh content, known as blog posts. These posts serve as reflections of the writer's evolving insights, knowledge, and experiences. They offer readers a fresh perspective, a new piece of information, or a different way to approach a topic with each visit. Now, you might wonder, with the abundance of content out there, how do blogs manage to stand out? Well, the secret sauce lies in consistency. An astonishing 67% of bloggers who post daily say that they are successful. This emphasizes a clear correlation between consistent content delivery and success in the blogging sphere. Readers value reliability, and when they find a source that consistently provides valuable content, they're more likely to become loyal followers. Why blogs matter more than ever? While the definition and statistics about blogs provide a foundational understanding, it's vital to delve deeper into their inherent benefits. Platform for expression. At its core, a blog is a personal space, even if it caters to a broad audience. It offers writers a platform to express their thoughts, voice their opinions, and share their experiences. For readers, it offers a window into these perspectives, enabling them to broaden their horizons, challenge their beliefs, or simply find solace in shared experiences. Knowledge sharing. Blogs democratize knowledge. They break down barriers, allowing anyone with expertise or experience in a particular field to share it with the world. This open exchange of knowledge not only benefits readers but also empowers writers, positioning them as thought leaders in their domain. Why start a blog? The compelling advantages of blogging. It's not just about scribbling daily anecdotes or casual musings. It's about shaping ideas, connecting communities, and even changing lives. Here's why you should consider starting a blog. Personal expression and growth. At its core, a blog provides a canvas for your thoughts. Everyone has a unique perspective and a story to tell. This constant process of thinking, writing, and revising fosters personal growth. Establishing expertise. Consistent blogging about a particular subject can position you as an expert in that field. Over time, as you research and share insights, your credibility grows. Potential income generation. Once your blog gains traction, it can become a source of income. Monetizing through advertisements, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products can turn your passion project into a profitable venture. While not every blog turns into a gold mine, with consistent effort and a strategic approach, it's possible to achieve financial gains. Personal brand building. In an age where personal branding is crucial, a blog acts as a testament to your skills, values, and interests. It's an evolving resume that showcases your growth, adaptability, and expertise. Whether you're a professional seeking job opportunities or an entrepreneur hoping to attract clients, a blog can be instrumental in setting you apart from the competition. Establish authority. If expertise had a throne in the digital realm, it would be a blog. Whether you're an aficionado of vintage cars or an expert in machine learning, a blog provides the platform to demonstrate that expertise. By offering valuable insights and sharing knowledge, you not only build credibility but also position yourself as an authority in your field or niche. 12. Monetization. Beyond the intangible benefits of expression and authority, a blog can also become a sustainable source of income. Consider this: the average blogger can earn around $8,000 per month from blogging. That's not just pocket change. For many, it's a livelihood. Through ad revenues, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and more, passionate bloggers can monetize their content, turning their passion into profit. Two distinct approaches have gained prominence in the blogging world: do-it-yourself, DIY, blogging, and automation-driven blogging. Each has its own set of pros and cons, making it essential for aspiring bloggers to carefully consider which path aligns with their goals and resources. DIY blogging, a labor of love. DIY blogging is all about rolling up your sleeves and creating content from scratch. This approach thrives on individuals who possess experience and expertise in a particular niche, have a genuine passion for the subject matter, are excellent writers, and have ample time to dedicate to their blogs. Pros of DIY blogging. Authenticity and expertise. One of the standout advantages of DIY blogging is the authenticity and expertise it brings to the table. When a blogger is deeply knowledgeable and passionate about their niche, it shines through in their content. Readers are drawn to the genuine insights and personal experiences shared by the blogger. High-quality content. DIY bloggers often excel in crafting high-quality content. Their writing skills and passion drive them to produce engaging, informative, and well-researched articles that resonate with their target audience. This leads to increased credibility and a loyal readership. Building a personal brand. DIY bloggers have the opportunity to establish a strong personal brand. Control and creative freedom. DIY bloggers have full control over every aspect of their blogs, from design to content. Cons of DIY blogging. Time-consuming. DIY blogging demands a significant investment of time. Researching, writing, editing, and promoting content can be time-intensive, especially for those who also have full-time jobs or other commitments. Slow monetization. Earning income through DIY blogging often takes time. It may require a substantial following and consistent effort before monetization options, such as ads or affiliate marketing, yield substantial returns. Limited scalability. The success of a DIY blog is often directly linked to the blogger's time and effort. Scaling up can be challenging without sacrificing quality, as there's only so much one person can do. Automation-driven blogging. Chasing profit and passive income. Automation-driven blogging, on the other hand, prioritizes efficiency and scalability. It is often profit-driven and aims to generate passive income streams. Bloggers in this category may not necessarily have in-depth knowledge or passion for a specific niche but focus on strategies to attract a broad audience. Pros of automation-driven blogging. Passive income. Automation-driven blogging can lead to passive income streams. By leveraging automated content generation, marketing, and monetization techniques, bloggers can continue to earn money with less hands-on involvement. Scalability. Automation allows for the scaling of operations without a proportional increase in time and effort. This means that bloggers can manage multiple blogs or websites more easily, potentially increasing their earnings. Diverse content. Automation tools can generate a wide variety of content, which can attract a broader audience. This approach can be effective for those who don't have expertise in a particular niche but still want to blog profitably. Conclusion. The choice between DIY blogging and automation-driven blogging ultimately depends on individual goals, resources, and values. DIY blogging offers the benefits of authenticity, expertise, and personal brand building, but it can be time-consuming and slow to monetize. On the other hand, automation-driven blogging emphasizes passive income and scalability but risks sacrificing authenticity and long-term value. For those who are genuinely passionate about a niche, have excellent writing skills, and are willing to invest the time and effort, DIY blogging can be a rewarding journey of self-expression and expertise sharing. Conversely, automation-driven blogging may appeal to those who prioritize profit and efficiency over personal connection with their audience. In the end, the key to success in the world of blogging lies in finding the right balance between authenticity, efficiency, and profitability. Thanks for watching.